first time I saw her is when the show began. She was in the park, with her was a friend. Standing in the background, I heard her say to him, I love you, darling, I'll love you till the end. If I had seen the previews, then I might have known I was to be the comedy in her following show. I thought the show was over, but the next thing I knew, I was there with her, playing the part of the fool. Now she's with another, the same words being said. I guess the show is over, 'cause this is where I came in. The show, it ended the same way it began. While standing in the background, I heard her say to him, I love you, darling, I love you till the end. I turned and walked away, 'cause this is where